Hi viewers, welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you logical tips. But many of the basic designers they are using these tricks on the wrong way. First, I will tell you how they are using wrong way tips. Then I will tell you correct way tips. So if you don't understand any point of in my this tutorial, you can put your question on comment box. So let's go to our tutorial. So yes viewers, now we are on screen. First I will tell you what is the wrong way basic designers they are placing this image on this billboard. What are they doing this? First they click Control T, then they press right click. There you have seen wrap. They click here this. Then they are they drag this image like this kind of. So this is very wrong way. I I I'm telling you you have to avoid this trick because this trick is not professional level. So then I'm telling you what is professional level trick, what is correct trick. So let's go to next tips. So viewers, this is professional trick. First you have this image, then come to here, press right click on this layer, select pixels. You have to press this, select it, then control C, you have to copy. If you don't know shortcut, then come to here, edit, you have seen copy it, just copy it, then increase layer. You have to what you can say, uh, unseen this layer, or you can remove it. Then come to filter. Here you have seen vanishing point. Here you have to draw grids. Here you have to draw it. Then simple paste on that banner. Last we copied, just paste it, then press Ctrl T, just drag it here. So see, this is professional trick, professional level. Just place on this billboard, place it. Now our image manipulating is ready. See, just okay. See, this is ready now. Yes viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question or if you don't understand any point from my this tutorial, you can put on your question on my comment box. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press notification button, then you will receive my new information. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.